Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing episode 223 of the castle, where we're going to get some more stone and sticks after having the render distance turned down to 2 chunks with this fog here. My goodness, it's a whiteout. I can't even see the mountains. There's just fog in every direction. There's a castle and there's just fog in every single direction. Look at that. Fog everywhere. I can't even see the toilets over there. It's just completely whited out. So no, it's not pea soup. I can still see my hands in front of my face, but it is pretty thick fog. It's pretty chilly.
I let 100 arrows fly. Smoke bloom stick, whole field goes blind. Dark in the sky like a storm on side. Only my side calm and the silence behind. Jump through the air, boots, kiss wine. Every shot locked in, oh scan. They flinch just hearing that string go singing. My allies smirk cause they know who's winning. Yeah, exploding arrows. Light up the night, light up the night. Everybody ducks.
That right there, wheels completely come out of alignment. So I'm going to have to patch this whole thing up. We might try and get one load just on half the side, and then we'll have to patch it. Oh, we're getting there.
Draw back tight, draw back tight.
Gotta get our first load.
No way. Running orange.
Armor and pride. Exploding arrows. Only my people still standing upright. Daily drops all they fall like coins. One more volley crack in the joint. Patch on my cloak, soot on my voice. You can taste that fear in the void. Shards in the dirt, sinners in flames. They say my name, then they don't say names.
Take the
Last
stone
thing they see is
over
that
there
red
without
tail
the cap,
streaking. Last thing they feel is the courage leaving. Exploding arrows. Light up the night, light up the night. Everybody ducks.
Right, we're going to use that stick as the armor. You can feel the heat of the sun, but you just can't see it.
Only my people still standing upright. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Righty, so the cart completely broke down. I just couldn't take the load. It's collapsed, which means we're going to take it to the garage and we're going to give it a massive upgrade. Right, we're going to have a go at patching up this thing.
200 arrows in a strap made of tan leather. Just gave a 6-minute speech about an icebreaker. It used to be a giver, why not be the taker?
We're going to get old and
There's a
need to
storm
do
brewing
that
quickly
welding
over the
because he's more
horizon. Stacking
experienced.
rocks in my walls and the olive eyes. And I gotta stack them right with the right sizing. Fort Bentley, that's what Tim called it casually. Every day I'm stacking rocks so gradually. Boulders lock like ice using gravity. They call me mad lie that I was in insanity. Now with my bow, my enemies gonna feel fatality. Cream of the crop Bentley's written in the stones. Live mining titles, in the memories in my bones. Octachroma see my eyes in my eyes like little cones. Taking all the planets and divide them into zones. Zippity zippity zap zap. Zippity zippity zap zap. Spells rolling on my tongue, and now I take it all back. Zippity zippity zap zap. Zippity 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 zap zap. Crown on my head, 100 genies on my lap. Zippity zippity zap zap. Zippity zippity zap zap. They took my youth away, and now I take it all back. Raw energy,
Right, we've
purple
repaired
liquid
the
in my
cart, now
glass.
it's time
Cup
to
full
warm
of
it
cream
up.
and it's element on my lab. Just bought 100 books and opened 30 tabs. I downed a glass of water, build a cannon out of cans. Build an auto turret with a hammer and some
Right,
nails.
after
Collecting
basic
all these
repairs, we
planks and
have
I'll turn 'em into
increased
flails.
maximum
Drip within the
capacity
hinges and
limit.
I'm looking more, thinking that they own us, thinking they control us. Push us one more step and you step into a war. Cream of the crop Bentley's written in the
That's why they gonna
stones.
see you
Diamond
out.
and spiders in the memories in my bones. I got chroma see my eyes like little cones. Taking all the planets and divide them into zones. Zippity zippity zap zap. Zippity 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 zap zap. Spells
Righty, we
rolling
got
on
some
my
stone
tongue,
and some
and
sticks.
now I take it
Now we can get
all
both at the same time. How far away? Rod is going for a walk on the... It's Rod and he's going for a walk, but he feels the heat of my laser eyes, and so he's taking his coat off cause it's getting real hot. Da-da-na-na-na-na.
Zippity 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 zap zap. Crown on my head, 100 genies on my lap. Zippity zippity zap zap.
Okay, now we just gotta get these stones and these sticks into that
Took
pile.
my youth away, and now I take take it all back. I got spies and saboteurs in all your ranks, taking all your steel and I'll turn it into things. Thinking that your satellites and spies are gonna save you. The AI human hybrid, I'm controlling all your banks. Chilling in the normal looking body made of flesh. Try your psychotronics, but my skull is lined with mesh. Wheeled nanocork and polymer, shot of Farragut from Solomon. Copper lines and asteroid belts. Swipe right.
Alrighty, we're building up a little base over here.
Cream of the crop daily is written in the stones. I'm running saddles, seeing the memories in my bones. I take chromo, see my eyes in my eyes like little cones. Taking all the planets, then divide them into zones. Zippity, zippity, zap, zap. Zippity, 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 zippity,
Right, it's got an idea. We need more stone.
Now I take it all back. Zippity, zippity, zap, zap. Zippity, 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 zap, zap. Crown
Okay,
on
so we
my
can keep them.
head, on a genie's on my lap. Zippity, zippity, zap, zap. Zippity, 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 zap, zap. They took my youth away, and now I take it all back.
Alrighty, we got another load. Now it's time to wheel it back.
Well, they're gonna see you around, okay?
Okay.
Danley had some thoughts, no one know if they are his, but he quilled them on the page, and they go like this. Lovely sunsets with the warm red light, fire in my heart and it still shines bright. Spark in my core, you can't put it out. You can try to hide it, but it will burn you out. They isolated me, took away all that I had, so I will build an army and take it all back. Send in special forces and they all mega fail. Show was isn't lot and you can't pay your bail. Field marshal driller, no fun being a killer. They spend their whole life on the run like the Millers, haunted by the ghosts of the ones they terminated. Rather be a fisherman than be a cursed terminator. Buzzy, buzzy bee, zoom around me. Buzzy, buzzy bee, is she caged or is she free? Buzzy, buzzy bee, have you any free will? Buzzy, buzzy bee, yes, but all blocked by that fake bill. Buzzy, buzzy bee, I could go for some honey. Buzzy, buzzy bee, buzzy bees don't need silly money. Police and toy soldiers, generals play their cards. Another human life that they easily discard. They might try to kill me and they might succeed, but I will come back until every last one kneels. 3 little pigs on a triangle payroll, souls all snared, Illuminati maypole. Delta Force assassins is zombies on a leash. Adrenaline junkies with gore as their feast. Selectively bred, mind control fed, cartoon propaganda, voice to skull in your head. But don't ever worry, that's just what they want. Smile through the pain and create your own fun. You can be a dreamer, swallow up the seabed, eat the whole galaxy. No one is gonna see it.